Today I'm back with another testing out Turkish makeup brand, and this is the part 3. I will link down below all of my Turkish makeup brand related videos. I did a Turkish makeup brand haul and gifts from Turkey. I also did a review of a few makeup brands from them as well. My sister-in-law Buket gave me a bunch of makeup products from Turkey, and these are all made in Turkey originally. Like, you can't get this here in the Philippines. And she got this from Antalya, Turkey, and I'm super, I was saving this for a long time for a special video because I was planning to make a Turkish makeup brand series in my channel because she just gave me a lot. I think it's just a waste to not make a video about it. I think it's just a perfect chance for me to share with you guys what makeup brands they have there, the quality of their makeup, just basically what products they use there. So today I'm going to do a review on the XP Metallic Matte liquid lipstick. So it looks like this, and I don't own a metallic liquid lipstick. This is going to be my first. It will expire in 3 years, but you need to use this in just 1 year. So 1 year after opening, if you see that logo right there. Love the packaging of this. It looks super nice. It has a velvety matte cover, and then the actual liquid lipstick looks like a diamond, which is nice. I love this packaging, and it helps that it's slim on the side, like a bit slim. And then it says here, it just says here XP Metallic Matte. Okay. Ooh, the applicator reminds me a lot of the Playgirl liquid lipsticks. The applicator looks like that. It's flat on the sides and it's a bit larger. Ooh, I love the scent. It smells like candies. It smells like buttery at the same time fruity. I'm not really sure. Yeah, there's a certain candy that reminds me a lot of this. I'm just not 100% sure what. Okay, so the color looks like this. Not the typical color that I would normally wear. It's very dark, definitely. And I think they like dark lipsticks there because you guys know they have winter season there. And it's nice to wear like dark and vampy lips during the winter season. We only have rainy season here, which is happening right now. So yeah, so the last lipsticks that I reviewed, they have a dark lipstick there, and so I can't really find a shade like this like normally here in the Philippines. Can I? I don't know if I can find this specific shade here in the Philippines or in local brands. In the Philippines, we like tropical colors and corally reds and pinks, but they have colors like this there, dark and vampy, which is nice and sexy at the same time. So I'm just going to apply this on my lips. Wow. Wow, that is pigmented and that is dark. Very dark. Oh my god. Oh my god, this color. Oh my gosh. It's applying a bit patchy. You definitely need to be careful when you're applying this. I'm probably gonna do another layer when this dries. Whoa, this color though. Oh my gosh, I thought it's gonna be bronzy and like a little bit brown, but it looks like a gunmetal color on my lips. In real life, really, it looks like gunmetal. Like almost black grayish with silver specks of shimmer in it. I don't have anything like this. And this is just the first layer. I don't know if you can see, but it looks... Ooh, it's very lightweight. Like, I am loving Turkish makeup brands. Oh my gosh. I definitely won't wear something like this like for a daytime look. Even for an evening look. I don't know where I would wear this color. Like in real, it looks nice on camera, but in real life it definitely looks dark. Definitely wear this for Halloween. I can imagine models wearing this for the runway. If you are a performer or a dancer, and if you're gonna wear this on stage for a specific role or whatever, if you're just any kind of performer, you can definitely wear this. This will catch attention when you're on stage. But if you're just gonna wear this for a party or something like that, I don't know, like I wouldn't wear this. This is a crazy color for me. This is just the first layer, and it looks slightly patchy, so I'm just gonna try to build up the color now and apply more. But I don't know if you guys can see, but the color looks different on the packaging and on my lips. It looks more gray on the lips than it is on the packaging. Whew. Wow, this is intense. Okay guys, so what do you guys think? Do you guys think that I can pull this off with any kind of outfit? Actually, I'm planning to do like an emo makeup look. Maybe I can wear this. Looking at this really closer and carefully, it has like pink shimmers and silver and pink shimmers in it, which makes it look super unique like this. I love it. So this is how the lipstick looks like when it's like really close. And you can see that it made my lips look a bit wrinkly. Yeah, it looks really wrinkly right now, but your lips will end up looking like this with almost all liquid lipsticks. In my experience, it's just like that. Okay, so I actually really like this liquid lipstick. I just don't like the shade too much. I'm definitely gonna find a place where I can use this, but I love the formula because it feels thin on my lips. And it dries down completely matte. It's smudge proof. See? Smudge proof and kiss proof. Well, there's a little bit there, but not too much. I mean, wow. I wonder what other colors they have, and I really wonder why she got me this color. I actually don't wear metallic, any metallic lip products because I love my matte lipsticks, my matte liquid lipsticks, and my matte like lipsticks in a bullet. I'm a lover for makeup. Like, I'm open to absolutely anything, any kind of makeup products. I'm really willing to test out because it just makes me feel happy, and I love sharing it with you guys. So yeah, that is it for my video. This is the XP Metallic Matte Liquid Lipstick. So I'm like a kid testing out makeup products from another country, and that is really interesting for me. Stay tuned for more testing out Turkish makeup brands. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!